some of the air cleaner systems that come to mind that these are not compatible with, anything Screaming Eagle, right off the bat, not going to work. RLNS, a lot of the RLNS applications won't work. Some of the older SNS, it will fit. The SNS Stealth, like you'd have on a Milwaukee 8, will not fit those. They're just not long enough. Now,
and that's all because part of the back plate are two little standoffs that connect to the heads of the engine.
Exactly right. Okay. Exactly right. So these bolts, they're not long enough to go through there. They're just not going to work. They're only 3/4 of an inch long. The RLNS bolts are usually about an inch long. The SNS bolts are around about an inch long. Screaming Eagle, same thing. Now, if you have an air cleaner, such as the DK Custom Outlaw air cleaner, Vance & Hines, VO2, they have a support bracket that is external to the actual air box. So those support brackets are only about 1/8 of an inch thick. No problem in the world installing these bolts on top of a thin support bracket. And I got pictures up here.